In this video, I am going to be showing you how to install Visual Studio Code. So you can head over to your browser and Google code.visualstudio.com. But optionally, you can add this download, but this is the website. So I'm going to click this. So if you are using Windows, you can download the Windows installer. All right, but I'm using a Mac. So I can check my system type. So I can check about this Mac. So you can see I use an Intel. So I'm going to download the .dmg file for Intel. So I'm going to download this now. So I can drop this in downloads. So this is probably going to take like a minute or two. So I'm going to pause this video and come back. So it is done downloading now. So I can head over and I can install. So let's install this. So I'm going to drop this in applications. Okay, so I'm going to have to pause this side also and continue. So it is done copying to applications. So I can come here and check the application. So on Windows, the same thing. It will be included in your app already. So I'm going to open this. So, and as for Windows, if you see an option like add to desktop, you can add to desktop. So now I have opened my code editor. So I don't want to continue with GitHub. I'll close. So now let's expand this so we can open a new folder. So this folder, where am I going to put it? So I can put this new folder on the desktop to make it easier. So I'm going to name this tutorials. So I'm going to create. So I'll open this folder. So now you have this. So you can close this welcome window like this. So I can open a new file. So I'll say app.py. So that is what I want to name my new file. So we have app.py. So after that, okay, so this is what I want you to install. So you have to install this Python extension from Microsoft. So you can install directly from here, but you can head over to extensions also, and then you search Python extensions. So yeah, preferably you want to use Python. If you want to use any other thing like .html and whatever, so you name your file .html and you follow the prompt. But because you are using Python, that is why we saw this. So I'm going to look for Python. So we have to look at the one by Microsoft. So I can as well download this, but because I just want you to see how you can get it through this extension. So Python extensions by Microsoft. So let's see this. So this is it. Okay, so we have to install this. So you trust. Okay, and then wait. It doesn't take long for it to get installed. So this is what enables you to run Python codes. So it's getting installed. So I'm going back to app.py while we wait till it gets installed. So I'm going to close this. Okay, so now it is installed. So now we can run Python program. So if I say, let's print our first program. So I can say hello world. So we can run this code now. Let's see what we have. So we have hello world. So I can close this. So I can close this side, or I can just collapse this panel. Okay, and we can also leave it, so you can just do something like this. So we can reduce and we can expand this panel right here. So we print hello world. This is beautiful, right? So that is how you can install Visual Studio Code. So in case you are interested to get more on the settings, so you can watch my next video. But this is how you can install Visual Studio Code and get it running.